Good morning, student. I'm assigning you, it's 9:45, question number 100 of chapter number 4, that is retirement and death of a partner, and you have 15 minutes to complete it. You have to finish it in 12 to 15 minutes. You find this kind of long question in your board exam as well. But you have to take care of the time limit, that's why we will do. And it helps you score more in the internal assessment. So your time starts, start it now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Tanya. Switch on your video fast. Your time has been started. Do question number 100. The long question of chapter number 4, retirement and death of a partner. You find this kind of full-fledged question in your paper.
Ma'am, 100 करना illustration.
100 practical. 100. Mansi, Tanya, Tanu, switch on your video, beta. Sanjog, I assign question number 100 to solve to everybody. You please start your question number 100 and switch on your video. I just want to see how you are doing your question. Five minutes has been passed. Last 10 minutes you have. I hope everybody has prepared the revelation account.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good. You have done it in 12 minutes. It's 9:57. Show me your notebook.
But ma'am, I have not done that adjustment of capital as it has been deleted.
No, in this question, adjustment of capital is not there.
It's there.
Which adjustment?
Each point, the partners decide to fix the capital of new firms at 1,20,000.
I think it
I
must.
have not mentioned that point in my balance sheet has matched.
No need to be. No need to be. Just leave that point. No need to be. But whatever the Mansia has been sent to me, in that question it is not there. It's question number 100 that you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you send this question as well as along with that your solution to PDF to me. Then I'll check. Show me a presentation on the screen.
It's not nice.
And it should be. It should be better. And how you cope up in a board exam? You'll not get the good marks. Why we are doing in the time limit? We are just doing in the time limit just because of that to enhance our skills, whether in the terms of speed, whether in the terms of presentation, concept clarity, each and everything we have to enhance in ourselves. So that's why we are doing these type of assignments. So please take care of each and everything, whether the presentation is there, whether the presentation part is there, working notes are there.
Ma'am, done.
Take care of it. Tanu, very good. Adjustment of capital, have you done in that? Tanu?
Yes, ma'am.
Adjustment
Yes,
of
ma'am.
capital, please skip adjustment of capital. Whatever the questions you have in which the adjustment of capital point is there, please leave that point because adjustment of capital is not included in the syllabus this time, whether the admission is there, whether the retirement is there. Okay? Clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Because otherwise the questions will be very less in number. If we don't do those questions, the questions will be very less in number. So how can we practice? So as we have to do practice and until we have the sample papers, the new additions with us, we have to just adjust with these questions. So please skip the point of that adjustment and do rest of the question. Very well done, Tanu. You also do it in 14 minutes. Good. Your time limit should be 12 to 15 minutes. Whenever you are managing these with these type of questions, please manage your time from 12 to 15 minutes. Then you will be able to cope up in the board exam only. Otherwise, you will not be able to attempt in board exam. And after the board exam, I'm surely telling you that you will give me the one statement, ma'am, paper was so lengthy. We were not able to attempt the paper. Whosoever has done the question, please send PDF to me along with make the PDF of your question as well as answer and send PDF to me. And I'll see whatever you would have done, whether it's correct or incorrect. Do fast. Sanjogji, you also have to send PDF to me of question number 100 along with the statement. Please send it fast. If you send within this time during the class, you will get 2 marks for the internal assessment in your board exam. I'm telling you to everybody, and very soon I'm just going to explain you the project that you have to maintain very soon. If after 30th school will be there, then in the school I'll tell you. Otherwise, if the online classes will be there, in the next week I'll tell you about the project.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay, beta. I'll see. Just have a look at the topic of death of a partner. If you have any doubt in all these chapters, these 4 chapters, Kanika, if you have any doubt, you may ask personally as
I have also signed.
well. Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I have done this, but at the time of test or anything, I don't get my answers.
Now, why don't you get your answer? See, if you remember in the beginning, we do this kind of practice in the classes, that points to be remembered. You remember? We did
Yes,
this in the January because the physical classes were there only for the 1 month. At that time, we have done first chapter, and I'll explain you the things to be remembered is to be written in every chapter. First of all, you have to write the learning objective of every chapter. Then you have to write that what are the things to be remembered. You have to make that column. You revise each and every chapter, and then write yourself what are the things to be remembered. When you write it at your own, then those things will be remembered by you at all. And when you are just supposed to sit in the examination or appearing in any test, those things always remembered in your mind, those concepts captured in your mind, and you will be find it very easy to attempt the question correctly. Please make a schedule, things to remember of every chapter. 4 chapters we have done. You just send me the things to be remembered. Then I'll check it, things to be remembered, and whatever is to be required to add more, I'll let you know, and you have to add in that. And every day or after 2 days, you have to read it again and again, that these are the concepts or these are the things to be remembered while doing this chapter. Can you do this practice, Kanika? You will do this. How much time you will take to do this? 4 chapters we have done. I want things to be remembered of complete partnership. Again, now next tomorrow we are going to start the dissolution. And on Monday, if we have the school, there will be a 50-mark complete full-fledged paper of partnership. Complete test of the partnership will be there, like a board exam or the test. Proper test will be there. We will skip one of the any period of any other subject, or whether we skip the assembly time in the morning when you assemble in the ground, and immediately we start the test. 50-mark test will be there, so you have to prepare yourself. And if you have any doubt anytime while doing, you just send WhatsApp to me, query, or you may make a call to me.
Okay, ma'am.
I try my level best to pick your call at that time and satisfy your query.
Yes, ma'am.
I can support you, but without your support, it's a mutual concern. We can't do anything. I can support you, and you are my confident girl. Be confident, be smart.
अभी वो confidence रहा ही नहीं.
Why? What's the issue?
पता नहीं किसी भी subject का नहीं हो रहा.
Reason? You are diverting yourself somewhere else in mobile phone. I think you got a new mobile phone on your birthday this time.
On my brother's birthday, I got.
On your brother's birthday. So give this mobile phone back to your parents, and after 12th standard, you just take it from your parents. This mobile phone is diverting you. I'm sure. It's diverting you, na?
I used to use this only half an hour or 1 hour extra, not more than that.
But it depends what we are doing on that for half an hour or whatever. Because suppose we are using the mobile phone for half an hour, and after that half an hour, for the 23.5 hours, we are thinking about whatever we have done in that half an hour. It means we are diverting for the whole of the time. We are not using the mobile phone for the 24 hours, it means, not for the half an hour,
I
my
used
dear.
to listen only songs or videos.
No, that
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
damn sure. That I'm damn sure. I also.
I am not on any social media site. That's why I used to view only videos and songs.
You are on WhatsApp? Maritime
Only
WeChat?
WhatsApp.
Okay, only WhatsApp. Why WhatsApp? You know, why WhatsApp is the biggest disease. I can say
I
it's a
don't use
disease.
it. I use it merely.
Then what's the issue? Why are you losing your confidence? तो मेरी झांसी
I
की
don't
रानी
know.
है भाई.
Ma'am, I also don't know.
Okay,
I'm not getting any answers.
you used to listen the songs on the mobile phone na. After the classes today, there is a title song of Jhansi Ki Rani. You have to listen that and watch that video as well. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, watch that video every day. झांसी की रानी, झांसी की रानी भी हमारे जैसी ही थी. She can do such a big task for the nation. Then why we can't do anything for ourselves only? We are also like them. She was a lady. I'm not setting an example of any male person to you. I'm setting an example. Kalpana Chawla is there. So many big politicians are there. So many dignitaries are there that you find. They are playing their role so well after a lot of criticism, in fact, after a lot of things they find in their life. I also appreciate the Sonia Gandhi as well. She lost her husband. She bear a lot of criticism because I don't believe in any political party, whether it's the Congress, whether it is the BJP or whatever it will be. I hate politics, but I appreciate the efforts made by that lady. She hold and she handled each and everything so nicely up to her best level without the support of husband and all. She took care of each and everything after bearing all the criticism of the society, of the public, in fact. So be brave, be strong. Everybody has diversions as well as hurdles in their life. A smart person is always balance those hurdles and always get out of that. Okay, and you are one of the smart one. Yes, you are the smart one. I'm telling you, I know you better than you because I'm elder to you. I'm not only a typical teacher. I'm your like your mother, I'm like your guide, I'm like your friend. So I observe you. I'm observing you for last 1.5 years. I know you so well. You are just losing your internal qualities, I'm telling you. Please try to boost up yourself. It's the need of the hour to boost yourself. Boost yourself, beta. Okay, then it's a time, last minutes are left, and today we have done and finished by the chapter 4, retirement and death of the partner. Tomorrow, just be ready with the dissolution of a partnership firm. We will have the group discussion. Yesterday, we have done the group discussion of this chapter, chapter number 4. Tomorrow, we will have the group discussion of in which you people have to speak. So learn it thoroughly, understand it thoroughly. Just intensively study each and every basic point, each and every basic concept that you will be able to participate in tomorrow's group discussion of chapter number 5, that is dissolution of partnership firm. So see you tomorrow. Have a nice time. Do everybody, it is everybody's task that write the notes of things to remember or points to be remembered. Lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 chapters points to be remembered is to be written by everybody and send PDF to me on this weekend. I'm giving you the work in advance. On Friday, this will be the assignment and that will be part of your project as well. That you have to, whenever you just submit your project, along with that, you have to submit me a file. And please do these on a paper or a separate register. Make a proper file of that points to be remembered of every chapter. Separately, you have to write. On Friday, you will get this task, that point to be remembered. So you can start from today as well. And that will be the part of your project work as well. Please convey my message, this message to everybody who has not attended the class today, who are absent from the class. Please convey my message to them as well. Okay. So anything else anybody wants? Anybody else want to ask anything else? Okay. If you have not any doubt in any and you don't have any query, then we are just winding up the meeting now. and use your time so wisely. Practice a lot because practice makes a man perfect. Yes, Kanika. So we are ending the meeting with a smile. Okay. Have a nice time, everybody.